Hello, this is System DK. Today I will discuss with you what is ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is the practice of using the same techniques and tools that malicious hackers use, but with the permission and approval of the organization that you are hacking into. The goal is to find and fix the vulnerabilities and weaknesses in the system or network before they can be exploited by cybercriminals. Ethical hackers are also known as white hat hackers or penetration testers, and they can help improve the security and protection of data and information for businesses and organizations. Ethical hacking can be a rewarding and exciting career, as you can learn how computer systems work, discover their flaws, and break into them without any legal consequences. You can also help educate others about the cyber threats and how to prevent them. If you want to learn more about ethical hacking, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be the get all such videos. Thanks for watching the video.